Hello everyone, Michael's Investing here, and today I'm talking real quick about how I made $50 on Bing, and as an investment channel, I feel that I should also educate you on how to use your time to make money and save money. So, you can sign up for Microsoft Rewards on Bing, the search engine owned by Microsoft, and by searching with them, you actually get points every time you make a search, and those points add up, and you can ultimately redeem those points for gift cards or other sweepstakes drawings or entries and such various other items. You can also redeem them for donations to charity. But essentially, you can earn up to around 3,000 to 4,000 points per month, depending on what you do, maybe even more than that. But those points add up. So if you're earning for like 4 months, you could have enough to get $25 off a Microsoft gift card. Or if you save for, say, 6 months, you could get a $25 Walmart gift card. And while that might not seem like that much, essentially what you're doing is you're not using Google and you're using Bing instead, and you're doing everything else the exact same, and you're getting $25 to $50 per year for doing really nothing different. Now, if you have to use Google, you can. You can just make this your default browser, search Google every time you need to go to Google, and you'll also get rewarded for that. So there's plenty of ways to win this, but real quick, that's how I save money by using Bing. So hopefully that's informative, and thanks for watching.